Hi everyone and welcome to Nikki's channel. Do you want to know how to make a simple stir-fried lobster with ginger and scallions and not even having to buy a whole lobster? I'll show you how. Let's get started. For this recipe you'll be needing 4 lobster tails. I prefer to remove the legs from the lobsters, but this is totally optional. You can either leave them on or remove them. It's up to you. Cut the lobster tails into 3 sections, just like this. Now let's move on to the next step. In a large bowl, add in 1 cup of flour. Then add in approximately half a teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then mix well. Lightly coat the lobster tails with the flour that we made earlier on. Now that we're done coating the lobster tails, let's move on to the next step. Let's make the sauce. You'll need 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, and half a teaspoon of sugar, and combine all the ingredients together. The vegetables I'll be using is 1 bunch of green onions and 4 slices of ginger. Let's move on to the next step. On high heat, add in approximately 3 to 4 cups of vegetable oil. To see if the oil is hot, just add in a pinch of flour. If the flour starts to bubble, then add in your lobsters. Then occasionally turn the lobsters as needed. By doing this, we'll allow the lobsters to cook evenly. Fry the lobsters for approximately 4 minutes. Remove the lobsters and place it on a sheet of napkin. This will help absorb all the oil. On high heat, add in a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Let's add in our aromatic. Then add in 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Then add in 4 slices of ginger. Stir fry until you can smell the aroma from the ginger and garlic. Then add in the lobster tails. Then stir fry for approximately 2 minutes. Now pour in your sauce, making sure to stir your sauce first before adding it into your pan. Add half a cup of water. I'm just using the same bowl I had the sauce in. If you want to know more about my channel, hit the like and subscribe button. Then let the lobster simmer in the sauce for 2 minutes. Then add in 1 beaten egg. This will thicken the gravy. Stir fry until the eggs are fully cooked. This shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. Add in your green onions, leaving some green onions for garnishing. Then stir fry for 2 minutes. Then remove from pan. Then garnish the plate with green onions. And there you have it, simple and easy stir-fried lobsters with green onions and ginger. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Bye for now and see you next time.